Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2002 ECE paper and the topic is related to digital circuits. The 4-bit 2's complement representation of a decimal number is 1000. The number is plus 8, 0, minus 7, minus 8. What can be the right answer for this question? So 2's complement representation of decimal number is given as 1000. Remember that one, it is in 2's complement, and 2's complement can be used to represent negative numbers as well as positive numbers. So how to identify whether the given number is positive or negative? Okay, in 2's complement system, in 2's complement system, in 2's complement system, okay, it can be used for the positive as well as negative numbers. So that for the given number, if you want to know whether it is positive number or negative number, so the thing is nothing but you must look at MSB, look at MSB, most significant bit, and if MSB is equal to 0, if MSB is equal to 0, number is positive, the given number is positive. Okay, and if MSB is going to be 1, at that time the given number is negative, and if it is negative, you must know, you must give the, now you can see this one 1000. MSB value is nothing but this one. Since MSB is equal to 1, MSB is equal to 1, so that the given number is negative, given number is negative. Negative is nothing but simply in decimal value we are indicating negative sign with some magnitude. What is this value that you are going to calculate? So you must know the actual value. Okay, so for that one, take 2's complement again for the given number, take 2's complement again for the same number, for the given number, so that you are going to getting the magnitude. So look at this one. Generally, let us assume x is going to be a number. For that one, if you take 2's complement, if you take 2's complement of this one, what you are going to get is nothing but minus x. 2's complement of a given number is nothing but negative of that number, that is nothing but x will be treated as minus x, or x will be converted into minus x if you take 2's complement of x. X is a positive number and minus x is nothing but 2's complement, that is negative of that number. Again, if you take one more time 2's complement, so assume that one, this is going to be a number y. So 2's complement of y is nothing but, is it minus y or not? So minus y implies nothing but, y actually is nothing but minus x. Minus of minus x is nothing but x. So you will know the magnitude of the 2's complement number if you take again 2's complement. So that 2's complement, minus into minus it will become plus, you will know the magnitude. So simply by looking at the MSB of the number, you will say whether it is positive or negative number. If it is positive number, directly you can see the magnitude from the number itself. Okay, so like this, if it is 0 1 1, 0 1 1, at that time if it is in 2's complement, the value is nothing but MSB 0, so that it is positive, magnitude is nothing but this one 7 itself. Okay, but in case of negative representation, if you want to know the magnitude, you must take the 2's complement of given number. Now given number is nothing but 1000, 100. 2's complement of 1000. So that implies nothing but 1's complement of 1000 plus 1 at LSB should be added. So that implies nothing but 1's complement of 100 is nothing but, it will be equal to, okay, it will be equal to 0 1 1 1, and you are going to add 1 at LSB, so that again it will be equal to 1000. This is nothing but positive 8. So the magnitude is positive 8, but since this is going to be 1, so this you are going to be writing it as minus 8. This value is minus 8. So the right answer for this question is minus 8. Nothing else, just you have to check about the MSB value. If it is 1, okay, put minus sign, and to know the magnitude, take 2's complement of the given number. that will be minus 8. So the right answer is nothing but minus 8. Okay, thank you.